Welcome to the Wilds of Cooking. Today I'm going to share 2 quick breakfasts with you in just a few minutes. 1 baguette. Where are you looking from? Please write in the comments. Grease the pan with a piece of butter. Five eggs. If you like it, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share. It will help my channel grow. Thank you for your support. 1/2 cup of milk. Salt. Pour the egg mixture on the bread and fry under the lid for 7 minutes. One tomato. The cheese you like. If you like the food I made, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Turn over and add a little ketchup. Send to the oven for 10 minutes. At this moment, the second recipe begins. Half a baguette. Grease the pan with a piece of butter. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe so you don't miss my other recipes. And if you are subscribed to my channel, I'm waiting for you in the comments. 6 eggs. One half cup sour cream or yogurt. 2 tomatoes. I will pour the egg into another bowl because that one was too small. Green onion. Salt and pepper. Mix everything well. Don't forget to like and share this recipe with your friends. See you in the next video. Pour on a baguette and fry under the lid for 4 minutes. Gouda cheese, or your choice. Send to the oven for 10 minutes.